paints us a picture of him and with loving attention brings out features we can all see, that she loves him dearly with all she possesses, and therefore she shows us what true love can be. Long before dawn has dispersed all the darkness, she goes through the streets of the city so old. With artist perception, she mixes her colors with highs from God's heaven and shades of the world. The scene in the background is formed by the blending of tears with the sorrow, the pain and the need, compassionate action, relieving the torment. To all she's a mother, despite race or creed. We see on the canvas the faith and the hope that she by her life created and gave. The picture's completed while she sits and comfort one poor life, one step from the edge of the grave. Paints us a picture of him and with loving attention brings out features we can all see, that she loves him dearly with all she possesses, and therefore she shows us what true love can be. And when she has finished painting the picture and puts down her brushes, her rest overdue, people all over the world will agree that no one has painted his portrait so true.